All right, good morning. So today we received the CPI report, which came in a little bit hotter than expected. The regular CPI came in at 4.7 versus the forecast of 4.6, and core CPI came in just flat, 0.3 month over month, and regular CPI came in at 0.4 versus 0.3%. So this is the reaction of the market. As you can see, what's affecting is the report is what's causing the yields to go up again, and the dollar as well. So the dollar is going up today. That's what's putting pressure in the market. And let's see if everything's still in place. So I said that this is going to be the range we're going to be playing off. Right here, you can see there is a clear resistance 3 days. 3 days, you cannot even challenge this line. And yes, and tomorrow we have financials too. Financials finally start reporting earnings tomorrow. So we could challenge this line, and it will be extremely hard for this line to be broken to the upside. It would need pretty much technology stocks to just rip higher, either that or the Fed backing off, which we already know he's not going to cut rates anytime soon. He's not even considering the idea of cutting rates. And let's see what the QQQs is doing. The QQQs looks strong. And this one held this this line right here. So the QQQs look stronger than the SPY, but once again, it's gonna need those big companies to move the market higher, either that or the Fed. So that's what's gonna take place this earnings season, and we'll see what's gonna happen. My bias is that we don't go higher actually, because it requires so much. So, but I'm not gonna do anything until actually until I see the confirmation here to either to the downside or to the upside. So we'll see what happens there. Let's see what Tesla is doing. Tesla. Yeah, yesterday I said Tesla is not going to do much until they report. How about Apple? Apple actually is looking strong. So this line is very important. So we'll see what happens there. It looks like it wants to challenge it. Looking at the SPY at the 15-minute. Yeah, this is so after the market closed yesterday was rolling up in anticipation to today's report, and today is selling off. If we break this 435, that's when yeah, there's obviously it's going to invite more selling. So yes, I'll be looking at that. LMT. So LMT is Lockheed Martin, and I said yesterday that I don't think we're done. So I waited for this to come to a level of support, and I took a position. And this is based on the fact that I believe war is just going to escalate. In order for this to happen right here, to go from the 400 all the way to 435, overnight, this happens for a reason, right? And this only happens big institutions, because big institutions are jumping in and they know better. They know that they recognize the fact that the US is going to be spending a lot in military now. And now it's going to be funding two wars. And this war uh, between Israel and Palestine, it could potentially expand to perhaps two fronts. Hezbollah is in the north of Israel, and if that breaks out, Lucky Martin is going to go higher because of how much spending is going to take place. And at that point, uh, Israel will be fighting two fronts. And based on what Israel has already said, yeah, they're going to go full force in it. So that's why I'm taking a position here in LMT. Let's see. Base earnings, fast and all reported earnings, and this one has the potential to go to. If it goes above the 59.25, it will challenge the 60. It looks like it's struggling right here. It found support in the 58. So if it breaks 58, it gets it negates pretty much the nice gap up that it had this morning. So right now, everything looks bullish, and it has the potential to go above that 59.50 to go all the way to the $60 mark. So we'll see if it actually reaches that $60 mark. That's all. The big day is tomorrow. So, but so far, we're doing this. All right. So that's all for today. Have a wonderful day.